Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Nintendo Switch unable to connect to Wi-Fi. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go to this reputable website, which is actually the Nintendo.com itself. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load. So the first step is to restart the Nintendo Switch console if you haven't already and see if it fixes your problem. If it still doesn't fix your problem, you can create a new internet connection. So set up a new internet connection, ensuring that you are attempting to connect to the correct network and that you are receiving a strong wireless signal from the network. Move the Nintendo Switch console closer to the wireless router, see if it helps your problem. And you can also power cycle your home network. So restarting your home network devices may resolve this issue if it's related to the devices being unresponsive or something like that. And also you should try moving any metal objects or electronic devices away from your Nintendo Switch, as it can interfere with your Wi-Fi signals. Also make sure you have disabled sleep mode temporarily and fully deplete the battery of your Nintendo Switch console. Restart it and see if it fixes your problem. If you are still unable to fix your wireless network, this may indicate an issue related to the network environment or wireless router being used. Additionally, you can also contact Nintendo Switch customer support by going to their website like this and clicking on this red icon in the bottom right corner. Tell them about your issue specifically and they will fix your problem or actually help you diagnose what is your problem within 24 hours. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.